Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's not about food or exercise or anything. As you'll know if you watched my 2021 goals video, this year I want to get better at makeup. So I thought it'd be a good idea to try a James Charles makeup tutorial, which is probably not going to go well because he's really good at makeup and I'm just not. So I've chosen the ASMR makeup tutorial, so I thought it'd be a bit of fun, have some ASMR with it. And also it's only like 10 minutes long, so I need like a short one. So it seems perfect. So I'm just gonna try and follow along as best as I can. Hopefully I'll end up looking all right. So yeah, let's just get into it. I don't know if I can stand him whispering the whole time. Hi sisters. Oh god, this is gonna be fun, isn't it?
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Normally in my intros, I tell you guys what we're gonna be doing in today's video, but judging by the title and my voice, I think you already know what's going on. This morning I was sitting with my team talking about video ideas, and Lewis was like, James, you need to do an ASMR video.
I hate this so much. Why didn't I just choose the normal one? Right, okay. It just sounds like when you're at a sleepover and you're trying not to like wake people up and you're just like, okay, so like what are we doing now? Some things of ASMR I get, like I like the typing and the nail. I don't have acrylics on so it doesn't really work. But whispering, nah, I don't get that. Yeah, to be fair, that's a good sound. That is not a good sound. He has lovely eyebrows though, doesn't he? They're lovely, lovely shape. Okay, let's start with the makeup.
Alright sisters, we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Okay, sister.
Of course, the first step to my makeup routine is always going to be a primer, and today I'm gonna grab the Milk Hydro Grip.
Okay, he's doing primer. I can do that. I have primer. This is the weirdest video I've ever watched. Right, so he's going for the forehead first, and then the cheeks. I can do that. Right, James, not being funny, but the laughing is putting me off track with the whole ASMR thing. I'm joking, I don't care. Why is he doing lips?
I'm using some Dragon Beauty color corrector to really get rid of my beard.
Eh? I don't understand. I mean, I don't have a beard, so I guess I don't need to do this, and also I don't have whatever this is. Looks like paint. I'm a bit confused. He looks like he's been sunbathing a bit too long.
It's gonna be time for some foundation.
Foundation. Is he doing 3 types of foundation? I mean, can't really be asked to do that. I'll just have the one. I always use this one. Fit Me, Maybelline. I don't know if it's good, but I always use it, so.
1 pump, 2 pump, 3 pump. Then I'm also gonna add it.
Right, 3 pump. 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, brilliant. I feel like I should buy different makeup, to be honest. He's using all these fancy makeup products, and I'm just, this is mine. Oh, he's doing it with a brush. I usually just do my beauty blender, but I'll do it with a brush today for the fun. He's doing it in like lines. Let me just. I never do it like this. I don't really know if this is good. God, he's really piling it on, isn't he? I mean, I guess they say to cake your face, but that's not a cake, that's a gâteau. I don't even know what a gâteau is. Right, I don't get it. Oh god, this looks so bad. How does his look so smooth? God, I can literally see the lines. I'm gonna have to like go over it a little bit with my beauty blender because this is just not the one. Maybe he does that. I don't know. What's he doing? Oh, and the neck. Oh god, going all out. Oh, he does use the beauty blender, thank god. I usually don't put foundation on my neck, to be honest, because mine's not that dark. Okay, beauty blender, blend it in. I can do that. Alright, contour, I can do that. I don't have a stick, but I have a brush and a thing. So he's done it on like his cheekbones and his jaw, so I'll just kinda... Okay, so he did it with like his foundation brush, but like, is this gonna work? I don't think this is gonna work. I usually just use the beauty blender. I'm just gonna use the beauty blender, to be honest. Not really following the tutorial, but it's fine. I don't really care. Okay, I think that looks all right. Yeah. I've run out of strong. I usually have like a little drink while I'm doing my makeup to like prepare me for the social interaction, but I've run out, so I don't have any, but I wish I did because I could do the can thing like he's doing with his Coke. Oh god, I hate that so much. How he spent like 5 years doing his contour and it looks good, to be fair. I just went like that a little bit and I was like, that's enough, that's fine. Oh, he's doing a little bit like under there. What is it? What? I'm not doing that. I can't be arsed. Oh god, there's an advert coming on. It's gonna be really loud. Wait, I'm turning it down.
All you need to launch a cold skate brand. Honestly. As long as you have a logo that looks good on you.
Alright, skip. Blush. Oh, I never use blush because I can never be bothered. Right, I think I have some. I don't actually know. Right, here she is. Here's my blush and my little brush for my blush. Okay, so he's just putting it like up the side a bit. It's like here. Is this a thing? Ooh, I've kind of done it. Doesn't look too bad, to be fair, but it is actually freaking me out that he's not done concealer. Like, does he just have nothing to conceal? Oh no, he does do it, never mind.
Finally, I'm gonna grab some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer.
Okay, concealer, yes. Woo, conceal. Here's mine. Rimmel London. He's got it like in here and like here. I really thought it'd be easier than this, but I just don't know what I'm doing. So here for some reason, and here, which is good actually, and a little bit here, because why not? Oh, and a little bit down the nose. Okay, beauty blender time.
Less is more. This is looking beautiful. Now I'm gonna grab my
Oh, speak for yourself, James. Okay, so my concealer's all in, so time for powder, which I have here. Oh, he's putting it like under his eyes. I've never done that. I'll do that. Why is he putting it on his ear? He's put it on his ear. I don't want to do that. Alright. Alright. Oh, why has he licked his thing?
I'm just gonna reinforce quickly using a little bit of powder.
More powder? What? I only have one powder. This is my powder. Do you know what I mean? Oh my god, he's got like 50 makeup brushes. Honestly, I don't have the funds for all of this. I do quite like that sound actually. Oh, okay. He's okay. Why has he got a Sisters fan? I have so many questions with this video. Honestly, I don't know what's going on. So he just did setting spray. So I guess I'll do that because I have one. I invested in setting spray a few months ago, and it's good decision. God, oh, it went in my mouth. And then he's got a fan to dry it. I'll use my hands, you know. Okay, oh, eyebrows. Okay, eyebrows. I like eyebrows. Eyebrows are good. So let me get my little, dropped it. My little, what are these called? Spoodle? No, that's not it. Spoons. I don't know what they're called. Oh, don't do that, James. Oh, he's okay.
Alright, sisters, I'm back. I decided to do it on the brow off camera because honestly, I was getting bored and whispering is a lot more tiring than I.
He did his eyebrows off camera. God, bit rude. Leave me to the lions. It's fine. I'll just do it like I normally do them. I need some music, but also the vibe of this video is meant to be like relaxing and quiet, so I'm not gonna blast some Pink because that is what I want to listen to right now. Blow Me One Last Kiss, iconic song. I need to pluck a few eyebrow hairs first because they're getting a bit out of control. They're not really, they're fine. I just don't like having all the little ones. Ow, oh, that hurt. Also, usually without COVID, I get my little like upper lip waxed, but obviously I haven't been able to do that for literally like so long, like over a year, I think by now. So I've got a little moustache, which, you know, it's chilling. It can be there, I guess, but I don't really want it. So I tried like plucking it a little bit yesterday, but it just really hurts and I don't like doing it. So I'm gonna do like a few a day. So I'm gonna do a few right now. This thing is, in like summer last year, my salon that I go to opened, but only for stuff that's not on your face. So I literally couldn't get anything. I couldn't get my eyebrows done, couldn't get my lip waxed. So really, it's been a rough year, to be honest. It's been very rough. Let's just do it. I'm scared. Ow. Oh God. I hate that. I hate that so much. I just wish I was better than I am. It's just not worked out like that though. Oh, and I've done too much on that one. I really want to get them laminated. I really want to try that. I think that looks alright. It'll do, it'll do. Just add my little eyebrow gel to finish it off. Right, he's using eyelash curlers. I don't have eyelash curlers because, to be honest, my eyelashes are kind of curly already. Like they're quite, can you see? They've got the little flick, so I feel like I don't really need them. And also I'd definitely stab my eyes by accident if I tried to use one. I swear you meant to do eyeshadow before mascara, but you know what? You do you, James, you do you. Also, he didn't even do highlight. Am I being silly? Honestly, guys, I don't know what's going on. Do I look okay? Do I? Right, anyway, I'm just going to shut up and get my mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Oh, it looks lovely on him.
What do you think? Do you think that I should add lashes? Yes or no?
No, don't add lashes, I can't be arsed. Okay, so he's used like his eyeshadow palette to do some sort of highlight, so I'm going to try that in a second. Mascara done. I've learned how to vape through my nose, how to breathe out vape from my nose. Wait. Wasn't that fun? Anyway, what's he doing now? I've forgotten. Highlight, I think that's what we're on. How does it just look so good? Like, I don't get it. Lip liner, God. Lip liner, where are you? So he's got some sort of like liquid lipstick. I don't own liquid lipstick, so I'm just gonna use this lipstick, which looks kind of similar to his, I guess, a little bit. Oh, I'm gonna use some lip balm first actually, because my lips are a bit dry. Okay, so we got the lipstick.
That's a good one. Tastes like
Nice. It's just done some lip gloss as well, so I'll just do that quickly.
And last but not least, I'm gonna finish up with a little bit more setting spray.
Alright, a bit more setting spray. What about the eyeshadow? Oh, and he's put highlight under his eyebrows as well. God, I've missed a lot. And then I feel like it's wrong to not have any eyeshadow, to be honest. Just looks a bit wrong, so I'm gonna add a bit anyway. I'm going off the rails, guys, because I am my own person. I'm the main character and I do what I want, so I'm gonna add a bit of eyeshadow.
I think that this is ASMR makeup tutorial all complete.
Okay, and we're finished. James looks great. I look okay, I guess. Oh, there's that hair on my mouth. So that'll be the end of the video, obviously, because my makeup look is done. I hope it looks... I don't think I look too bad, to be fair. Thank you so much for watching, and that'll be the end of the video, because I have like 20 minutes-ish. Oh, I have like 10 minutes until I'm meant to be starting drinking, so I just need to prepare myself for that. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!